Because that's what it's really about, right? Not just showing you these beautiful birds, but seeing skies full of macaws in wild places. Skies that look just like this.
They're all coming. Hey, look at behind you. Wow, wow, a red one. Holy shit. They're being attacked. They're coming from everywhere.
This is exactly what we're talking about.
Wow.
Okay, this is my favorite part.
Take a look at the deer.
There's more coming.
See that blue and yellow bird right there by
Oh
Aaron.
my
On the
God,
left-hand side coming down is another one. That's Dillinger and Stitch. They're those really rare species I mentioned. Fewer than 400 of those birds, the blue-throated macaw, left in the wild today, which will probably highlight the species at every single show. And these birds can take off at any time. Look at them go after the next adventure. So
One takes off, they all take off.
and we'll see if the rest of the birds are ready to go.
There they go.